welcome back to my channel and welcome to yet another episode of Sweet 16. So in today's episode I am gonna share with you guys a huge Nykaa haul. So before we get started, अगर अब तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, so do press this button. Also press the bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a new video on YouTube. And now without any further ado, let's get into the video. But from Nykaa. So first of all, let me share with you guys that this haul is all around a makeup haul, and this is my first makeup haul on this channel. All these products are affordable as drugstore. I wanted to share this with you so that everybody can afford these products, and I am gonna share some dupes in the upcoming videos. So you guys stay tuned. So first of all, let me share this with you guys that मैंने ये products fixed rates में मंगवाए हैं, but आप please sale के लिए wait करना and then purchase these products because all these products cost me around 4,500 to 5,000 rupees. So I thought it would be a great deal if you would purchase these products when they are on sale. So guys, so let's start. I am going to begin with this liner by Lakme, and it's their Insta Liner Water Resistant. This is what it looks like. आपने ये मेरे ड्रग स्टोर मेकअप रूटीन में भी देखा होगा. I have already tried the black one in this, and guys, this is just so amazing. ड्रग स्टोर रेंज के लिए ये eyeliner बहुत अच्छा है. I've seen a lot of content creators using this instead of high-end eyeliners because this is so nice. So I would definitely recommend you to give this a shot. ये और colors में भी आता है. This comes in a military green color. Nowadays there are all trends of all the colors in form of eyeliner, whether it is orange or blue, but I wanted to try the blue first, and this is what I've applied on my eyes today, and why not? I absolutely loved it. Okay, so guys, the next product is the loose finishing powder by Fit Me, and I am in the shade 15 Light. Now I have already used the foundation in the Fit Me range. As you already know, Fit Me तो सबके पास है because it's so nice, and I would definitely recommend you कि अगर आप एक beginner हैं तो आप Fit Me से ही start करें. So this is a very nice loose finishing powder. I am definitely obsessed with Fit Me range because drugstore है, affordable है, and most of the content creators prefer this over any other high-end range. So I would suggest you to go for this. The next product that I'm gonna show you is a blush by Sugar. So if you want to know the backstory, then you need to check the vlog. I'll link it in the description box below. And जिनको इसके बारे में पता है, leave purple hearts in the comment section. So this is the blush by Sugar, and I am in the shade 4 Salmon Superstar. This is highly pigmented, buildable. I absolutely loved it. Next product is a concealer by Fit Me again because I'm obsessed with Fit Me. And this is my first ever concealer, you guys. And I am in the shade 20 Sand. Now this is a concealer with chamomile extract. I absolutely loved it. मैंने काफ़ी सारे content creators को again इसके बारे में बात करते हुए सुना है that this is very nice, and I kind of proved to be a very smart buyer because मैं सारे नीचे reviews देख के फिर ही purchase करती हूँ, and that is what I would advise you because बिना reviews पढ़े don't buy anything. So I have read the reviews about it which were really amazing. Almost all of them were positive, so I wanted to give it a shot. The next product is a foundation. Now if you guys know that I have been lately using the foundation by Fit Me, and I wanted to try another foundation from Maybelline itself. So it's Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour full coverage foundation, and I am in the shade 112 Natural Ivory. अब मैं Fit Me में 120 Classic Ivory यूज़ कर रही थी, but I feel like it is a bit darker to my shade. I wanted to try a shade lighter than that, तो मैंने इसमें ये लिया है. Let's see how it turns out. Product is a gel liner. Now I am personally not into gel liners at all. I was using liquid liners recently, but मुझे एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम थी बाय लिक्विड लाइनर्स कि वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा टाइम लेते हैं टू ड्राई, और उतनी देर में बहुत सारे काम हो सकते हैं. एज अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर आई वांटेड समथिंग टू बी to occur very immediately. I didn't wanted to spend a lot of time कि मेरा eyeliner dry और फिर मैं start करूँ. So I wanted something, and also wanted to try this. So this is the Lasting Drama Gel Liner by Maybelline, and this is smudge proof and waterproof. Now I personally have no idea that how this is going to turn out. I'm still skeptical about this product because मुझे थोड़ी सी इससे डर लग रहा है, to be very honest, क्योंकि I don't know अगर ये आइस पे लगेगा या इसका क्या इफेक्ट होगा, because I've not tried it yet, but I'm definitely gonna share its review with you guys. Now one more thing that why I purchased is that this makes the task even more easier when you need to make smoky eyes. So let's see if this product works well for me. I'm definitely gonna recommend this to you. And the next product that I'm gonna share is Wow My Brow Eyebrow Palette by Nykaa. Now personally my eyebrows are bushy itself, but I purchased this just to fill the gaps in the brows. I wanted them to look a bit more perfect. So now I'm gonna show you how it looks like. You can definitely go for browsing in case of high-end products if you need to purchase. It looks like. And yeah, I'm yet to try this product. Simran has already tried and she feels like this is amazing. So I'm gonna share its review again shortly. Okay, so guys, the next product is a foundation brush. Now I always wanted to invest in a good foundation brush, but sadly Sheen chala gaya hai, so now we need to get a foundation brush that is quite similar to them. So this is Nykaa's Blend Pro स्टिपलिंग मेकअप ब्रश. अब इसके बारे में मुझे एक चीज़ बहुत अच्छी लगी, दैट दिस इज़ मल्टीपर्पज़. यू कैन यूज़ इट टू ब्लेंड योर हाईलाइटर, योर फाउंडेशन, एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट टू. दिस इज़ अ वेरी नाइस ब्रश. आई हैव ऑलरेडी ट्राइड इट and I guess you should definitely invest in a good foundation brush. The next product that I'm going to share with you is Lakme Absolute's Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. Now this is my first ever primer, you guys, and I was really scared on which one I should purchase because there is a variety of primers out there, but I thought of investing in this और मैंने इसकी बहुत ही ज़्यादा small version purchase की है just to check on how it looks like, and if you have any primer recommendations do drop it down. So this is what the primer looks like. I'm definitely gonna share on how it turned out on my skin type. Okay, so guys, the last 3 products that I am gonna share are lip related products. So the first one is by Maybelline New York and it's their Super Stay Matte Ink, and this is in the shade 65, and this is what I'm wearing right now. I'm in love with this shade. You can literally layer this up on any other lipstick and you can give it a slight nude or ombre effect. I would definitely suggest you to invest in this one. So guys, the next one is by Lakme 9 to 5 and it's their Primer Plus Creme Lipstick, and this is in the shade Color Pop. Now this is a mixture of pink and red and I really loved it. This is how it looks like. And yeah, the last product for this haul is a lip tint. I always wanted to invest in a good lip tint. I definitely wanted to go for Benefit, but then again I wanted to invest in a drugstore one. So I went for the lip tint by Etude House. This is a very nice lip tint. I would definitely suggest you to invest in this. So yeah, that's it for this video and this haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. A very nice makeup look would also be coming up on my channel, I guess in the upcoming videos itself. So you guys need to stay tuned because in that video I'll be sharing some dupes for these products. I'll be trying a good beginner's makeup look. So you guys stay tuned. And yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and click on that little bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video on YouTube. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next video. Stay tuned.